I need to do something with this two-wheel four-wheeler. It's got 1-ton parts on it. It's a nice looking truck. I don't have a title to it though. It's December the 24th, 2015. I haven't cut my tree yet. Grandma went to the hospital. Yeah. I know it. I guess I'll just wait for more input, get more information. Pinchy? Penny, is your little legs working out here in the forest? I didn't see how you walk on there. Did you get your medicine today? Yes, you did, didn't you? Is it 70 degrees in Thayer? Yes, it is. Is it the Christmas Eve on 2015? Yes, it is. Did Annabelle go in the pond and jump around because it was so nice? Yes, she sure did, didn't she, Penny Penny? Well, let's cut this tree. We'll cut this little tree here. This is going to be our Christmas tree.
Okay.
Okay, Penny. Are you ready? This ain't bad. This looks good all the way around, Penny. This is a very warm Christmas Eve. One time in 1977, I got a new 8-track tape player, and I put it in my 69 Pontiac Le Mans, and I was installing it outside, and it was warm like this in 77. That was in Kansas City, I'm talking about. And this weather's not much different. 300 miles different. I might have to help Penny because she's still sound like she got a hold of a varmint. These doggone groundhogs are mean. Penny? Where are you, Penny? Oh, there you are. Come on, let me help you, sweetie. Come on, let's get you in. You good doggy. Good girl. Let's get you inside. We didn't bush hog good, did we?